Hi viewers, welcome to Botany Point. This video is about chemical composition of cell wall. So in our previous video we already discussed about the structure of cell wall. So now the chemical composition. So let's start. So here I have some note. So before we start this note, see in this diagram, here you can see that this one the structure of cell wall. Okay, structure of cell wall. And the structure of cell wall is made up of 4 layers. Okay, first one is primary cell wall, second one is secondary cell wall, third one is tertiary cell wall, and finally the fourth one is middle lamella. Okay, so middle lamella is present out of primary cell wall. Okay, the first layer is our middle lamella. Okay, then primary cell wall, then secondary, then tertiary. But here what you see, some layer are there, outer layer, middle layer and inner layer. And these 3 layers are layer of secondary cell wall. So come to hear about cell wall. So the cell wall is made up of 4 layers. Okay, it has 4 layers. First layer is primary cell wall. Second is secondary cell wall. Third one is tertiary cell wall. And fourth one is middle lamella. Okay. So the primary cell wall, the first layer has single layer. Okay. But the secondary layer has another or extra 3 layers. That is outer layer, middle layer and inner layer. So secondary cell wall is made up of 3 more layers. And the primary cell wall is made up of single layer. Up to this clear? Okay, now come about the chemical composition of the primary cell wall. Okay, about the cell wall, the first layer is primary cell wall. So come about the chemical composition of primary cell wall. So here what happened, this primary cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin and also some extra chemicals. Okay, so first one is cellulose fibers, then pectin, lignin and also hemicellulose, etc. Clear up to this? Okay. So the concentration of the cellulose is more in primary cell wall. Okay, mostly the cellulose fiber is more, and this make the primary cell wall what? Strong. So here we study or discuss about how the cellulose fiber are formed. Okay, what is the units? Okay, so here the cellulose fibers or the cellulose molecules are what? Polymer of disaccharides cellulobiose. Polymer of disaccharide cellulobiose. Clear? Remember, cellulose are the molecules, cellular molecule are polymer of disaccharide cellulobiose. And these are approximately, these polymers disaccharide cellulose are approximately about 3000, made up of 3000 glucose units. It having what? 3000 of glucose unit. Clear? Now the next point, see, these glucose unit are arranged in a chain form. Okay, the glucose molecules, okay, the single glucose molecule form these units. So the glucose molecules arranged in a chain form. Okay, and these glucose unit, they forming the chain. Suppose this one is glucose unit, glucose. Okay, and each and every glucose unit are joined with beta 1,4 linkage. Remember, these glucose molecules are joining by beta 1,4 linkage. Okay, now the third point, what that? This chain, okay, the many chain. Now what happened is forming the chain. Okay, the glucose molecule forming the chain. So the many chain of cellulose now lies parallel to each other. Okay, so now this molecule, the likewise they are present parallelly. So when the cellulose molecule, okay, this single glucose molecule forming a cellulose, one cellulose molecule, then second layer is second cellulose molecule. Okay, so this forming a what? They present parallel to each other. The chain are parallel to it, forming, or the present parallel to each other and forming a bundle. Clear up to this? Come to first point. Cellulose are mostly polymer of disaccharide cellobiose, and these are mostly having around approximately what? 3000 glucose unit. Okay, up to this clear? Now the glucose molecule are arranged in the form in the chain form. Okay, and they are joined or linked together by beta 1,4 linkage. Remember this one. Now what happened? The chain are lies parallel to each other. Parallel to each other to form a bundle like structure. Okay, bundle. Okay, up to this clear? And these bundle are all about the 100 molecules. About the 100 molecules of cellulose chain forming the elementary fibrils. Okay, so now these 100 molecules of cellulose chain forms what? Elementary fibril. And these elementary fibril, okay, they are forming 100 of such type of hundreds of bundles. They forming the elementary fibrils. Okay, finally elementary fibrils. Okay, and these elementary fibrils is known as what? Micella. Up to clear? Okay, now see the diagram here. See, this one the molecule of glucose. So likewise, what? Chain of glucose molecule forming the cellulose, and such type of cellulose are what? Linked together by beta 1,4 linkage. Linked together by beta 1,4 linkage and forming here the 100 chains. Okay, here's the forming the cellulose are parallel to each other and forming up to 100 chains. To forming what? To forming a bundle structure. And this bundle is what? To form an elementary fibril. And these elementary fibril are known as micella. Clear up to this? The single one. Okay, this single one forming elementary fibrils, and this single one is known as micella. Okay. Now, what happens? See, now such type of micella. Okay, such type of many micella, many bundles. Okay, many bundles. What happened? Around 20 bundles are against or lie parallel to each other. Okay, and forming what? A bundle, again forming a bundle known as what? Microfibril. Now this microfibril is again around for microfibril forming the bundle around 250. Around 250 bundle of microfibril form the macrofibril. Clear? See here. And these, okay, and finally these microfibril are make the what? Framework of or the wall of cell wall. Clear? Come to here again. Here this diagram. See what happened? These glucose molecules interlink with what? Beta 1,4 linkage, and then they form a what? Chain, parallel chain form, And this such type of chains, many chains are forming a bundle. Those are known as what? Elementary fibrils. Okay, and these elementary fibrils are mostly about 100 chains of cellulose to forming the micella. The elementary fibrils are forming the micella, one micella. That means elementary fibrils and micella are same thing. Okay, now this elementary fibril is known as micella. Okay, this part is micella. Okay, and such type of one micella is made of such type of 20 micella to form one microfibrils. Okay, 20 micella equal to 1 microfibrils. And now such type of microfibrils bundles of microfibrils around 250, forming a single macrofibrils. So likewise many macrofibrils form here. So many macrofibrils form the cell wall, and cell wall, that is a primary cell wall, only primary cell wall. Up to clear? So this is about the primary cell wall, the chemical composition of the primary cell wall, how the primary cell wall form. Up to this clear? Okay. Now what happened? Such type of in case of secondary cell wall also contains cellulose. So such thing also happen. Such type of structure are, or the chemically composition are mostly also seen in what? Secondary cell wall. The primary cell wall and the secondary cell wall, the difference between the primary cell wall and secondary cell wall is about the compactness, because both contain here the cellulose, but the during the chemical composition they compactly arrange in case of primary cell wall, but secondary cell wall they are more compact than the primary one. That's a sort difference between primary cell wall or secondary. Also both are made up of the cellulose. Clear up to this? So both layer of the cell wall, the primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. Okay, first two layer made up of cellulose, and here it requires loose or the compactness of the secondary cell wall is more as compared to primary one. Clear? Okay. Now comes some extra thing about concentration. So during the concentration, what happened? The presence of cellulose, hemicellulose, soft surfaces are present in all of the primary cell wall. But difference is that here the concentration is different from cell to cell. Different type of cell are there: parenchymatous cell, collenchymatous cell, xylem or the vascular cell. So different cell during their chemical composition, when the question is come about the chemical composition, the concentration of the substances, that means cellulose and hemicellulose, pectin, such substances are differ. Clear? Okay. So here I have a note for your overall idea. See, come to here. First of all, primary cell wall. So primary cell wall consists of intervened cellulose fiber. Clear? And it may have a deposition of pectin, lignin and also hemicellulose, etc. Clear up to this? Intervened cellulose fiber. So the cellulose molecule now are these are mostly what? Polymer of disaccharide cellulose, having approximately 3000 glucose unit. Okay, what already we discussed. Okay, now third point, the glucose molecule are arranged in the form of chain which are joined by what? Beta-1,4 linkage. Remember, beta-1,4 linkage. The glucose molecule are joined together by beta-1,4 linkage, and the cellulose fiber are about 0.25 in wide and up to 0.25 micron wide and up to 1 micron long. Clear? And they are woven in an irregular net with a mass of about 0.3 micron. Clear up to this? Now the next point, many chain of cellulose molecule lie parallel. Now the cellulose molecule, from the single chain is forming a single single cellulose molecule. So such type of cellulose molecule are parallel to each other and forming a bundle. Clear up to this? Now a bundle of 100 molecules of cellulose chains form the what? Elementary fibrils known as micella. Clear? Now these micella, around 20 micella are parallel to each other, forming a what? Single bundle of microfibril, and it is about 250 ounces of thickness. Similarly, 250 microfibrils, the bundle of the 250 microfibrils, now larger sized bundle known as macrofibril, single macrofibrils, from the 200 microfibrils forming a single macrofibrils. Now such kind of microfibrils give a what? Framework of cell wall. Finally it is a what? Forming the wall of the cell wall, first layer of cell wall. So this is about the chemical composition of primary cell wall. Clear? Now the secondary case, what happened? The secondary cell wall also composed of cellulose and contains lignin. The formation and structure of microfibrils, the macrofibrils are microfibrils and macrofibrils are the same as in case of what? Primary cell wall. The only difference between what? Their arrangement. So the secondary wall of cellulose microfibrils in a macrofibrils are what? Comparatively more compact arranged. Only the arrangement. Okay. Now the tertiary case, what happened? The in case of tertiary cell wall, it made up of xylene. Instead of cellulose. Okay. It made up of xylene. Okay. And the middle lamina, already we discussed. Middle lamina is made up of what? Calcium magnate practice. So the cementing layer. Okay. Now here, the relative concentration of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin substance in the primary cell wall is not constant in all cells. These solutions, the chemical composition are not same in all cells. They are different. Maybe in some cells cellulose concentration is different. Maybe hemicellulose concentration different. It differs to cell. Okay. It varies from one cell type to another cell type. So here some scientists view or report that here the Bishop in 1958 reported the presence of high concentration of hemicellulose. Now the second, Jensen in 1960 found that the provascular cell means xylene fragment. In pro means previous primitive condition, the proxylene, protoxylene. Okay, so such type of cell had higher concentration of pectin substance. Remember, pectin substance and also hemicellulose in their cell wall. This is all about the cell wall. Okay, and here the cell wall. The cell wall of cortex and also protoderm had low concentration. Okay, so this thing are in low concentration. What? Such thing, that means the hemicellulose and what? Here we study pectin. Okay, now here another scientist Setterfield and Violet and at the year of 1961 reported the analysis of primary cell wall. Here finally they give a report that is about a chart. So in case of water cell wall, so primary cell wall or the cell wall, the concentration of water is about 60%. Hemicellulose about 5 to 10%. So these things are differ cell to cell, but at least the concentration start from the 5% to and it ends to the percentage of 15. And if the concentration is increased there, or the hemicellulose or cellulose concentration, or suppose the lignin concentration if increases, then cell undergoes to that condition. Okay. Now the cellulose concentration is about 10 to 15. Pectin substance about 2 to 8%. Protein about 1 to 2 and lipid about 0.5 to up to 30%. Okay, so this is all about the chemical composition of what? Cell wall. So here you just see the structure again. Okay, so this is all about the chemical composition, and if you like the video, so please hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe the Botany Point, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you so much.